Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add sports equipment business leads to Google Sheet. So here our objective is that whenever I get new Facebook lead for my sports equipment business in Facebook lead ads, then I want to capture these details and I want to add these details automatically in my Google Sheet. For that, I will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In Action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see how I can manage my Facebook leads and I keep a record of it in my Google Sheets automatically. So here we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. So this is my Facebook page for my sports equipment business and it is named as Sports Gear Hub. And to promote my business, I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. For managing this, I want to keep a record of all my leads in my Google Sheet. So I want to add details of all the new leads that I'm getting from Facebook lead ads in my Google Sheets automatically. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my sports equipment business, then I want to add these lead details instantly in my Google Sheet and I want to automate this entire process. So for that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And you will get to see this page. Here, these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Here we want to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to add sports equipment business leads to Google Sheets. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to select Home here and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action say do this. So Trigger going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and Action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And I have to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. I will click on Continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have two details here, page and the lead gen form. So for this, let's go back to Facebook. And this is my Facebook page, which is named as Sports Gear Hub. And for the lead gen form, I will go to Advertise. I will open this Meta Business Suite. And here I will go to All Tools. And in All Tools, I have to find this Instant Forms. So I'll open this. And here we can see we have this one lead gen form, which is named as New Lead Form. So I'll open this. And here we have these three details, full name, email, and the phone number. And this is how my form look like. So I'll close this and I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. So first I have to select my page. So I will open this tab, and here you will find all the pages that you have in your Facebook account. So here I will search for Sports Gear Hub. That's my page. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to select my lead gen form. So I will open this tab, and I'm going to use this new lead form. So I'm going to select this. Now we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I'm going to create a sample submission. And for creating the sample submission, I'm going to use Metaphor Developer. I will go to Metaphor Developer. Here I will go to my apps. And in my app, I'm going to open this tools. And in tools, lead ads RTU debug tool. I'll open this. And here we have two details, page and the lead gen form. So first I have to select my page. So I'll open this tab, and I'm going to search for my page, which is Sports Gear Hub. So I'm going to select this, and new lead form is my form. So I have selected these details here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to preview this form, and I'm going to fill dummy details in this form to create a lead. So I'll click here on preview form button. So this is my form, and I'm going to fill dummy details in this. So my full name will be test user, and the email will be testuser@pablitudes.com, and I will give a random phone number. So this is going to be my phone number. Now I'm going to click on next, and I will click on submit. So I have created this lead and I have submitted my form. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. So in the response, I have this full name, which is test user, and the email is testuser@pablitudes.com, and this is the random phone number. So these are the same details of my lead that I have just created. Now what I want is I want to add these details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that, I will set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will search for my action application, which is Google Sheets. I'm going to select this, and I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab, and add new row will be my action event. Now I have to connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will sign in with Google. Now I will click on allow to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. And here we have these details. So first I will go to my Google Sheet, and this is my Google Sheet, and in this we are using this spreadsheet, which is named as Facebook Leads, and we are using sheet 1, and we have 3 columns here: full name, email, and the phone number. So I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So first I have to select my spreadsheet. So I will open this tab, and here you will find all your spreadsheet that you have in your Google Sheet account. I'm going to use this Facebook Leads spreadsheet. So I'm going to select this. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. So in this we are using sheet 1, and we have these 3 columns: full name, email, and the phone number. So I'm going to map these details here, and I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I will open the response, and I have to map full name first. So this is my full name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I will map my email. I will open this response, and this is my email. Now I will map my phone number, and this is the phone number that I want to use. So I have mapped all these details here. Now I'm just going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have this positive response. So this means we have added these details automatically in our Google Sheet. Now to check this, let's go back to Google Sheet. And here we can see we have added this new row. So the full name is test user, email is testuser@pablitudes.com, and this is the random phone number. So we have added these details, and these are the details of the new lead that we have just created in Facebook Lead Ads. So we have added these details automatically in our Google Sheet, and we have created this integration between Facebook Lead Ads and Google Sheets. Now to check this in real time, let's go back to Matterport Developer. I will close this. I will delete this lead. And I will create a new dummy lead. So I will click here on preview form. So my full name will be dummy user. Email will be dummyuser@pablitudes.com, and I will give a random phone number. So this is going to be my phone number. I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So I have created this lead. Now I will go back to my Google Sheet. And here we can see we have just added this new row. So the full name is dummy user. Email is dummyuser@pablitudes.com. And this is the random phone number. So here we can see that we are adding these details instantly in our Google Sheet. So these are the details of the new lead that I have just created in Facebook Lead Ads. And this is working in the real time, and I'm adding these details automatically and instantly in my Google Sheet. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So here I have created this integration between Facebook Lead Ads and Google Sheet, such that whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead for my sports equipment business, then I'm capturing those details and I'm adding those details automatically in my Google Sheets. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook Lead Ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.